while he was making a study, he was also preparing us to revise already. So that was not an issue for me to go through all the notes and the study, like study material and all. My name is Priyank Parab. I live in Muludist. I just graduated my BCom in 2018 and I'm pursuing currently my MCom to Varun's videos. When I used to sit with other other teachers' lectures, I used to get sometimes bored or sleepy, and because there was no personalized attention as such. But Varun's videos, it never felt me so such thing, and also each concept was very understandable. It was very crisp, concise, and up to the point. Wiley and my study material, that was too crisp and concise, and Wiley online test banks was very, I can say it just prepared me for mentally for my exam. CMA matlab miles.